armrest and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
And just your attention for a couple more announcements before we get on our way. In the unlikely event any oxygen is needed on today's flight, don't forget to remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. In addition to the safety video mentioning bags in an emergency. Remember, if we ever evacuate the aircraft, we leave all carry-on bags behind. This is a very important part of the safety video that is added into the end of our announcements to reiterate the importance of not bringing bags in any emergency situation. Taking bags could block the aisle, it could slow the evacuation and prevent others from exiting safely. So once again, please, in any emergency, do not bring bags with you. Thank you for your attention on that. And thank you again for flying with us and for your patience today. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we get up into the air. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.